Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Of course, it's your girl Shashi over here, and today guys I have an amazing tutorial on how to make money through CBDC, that's the central bank digital currency. Make sure you watch the video up to the end. Also like, share, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below in case you may have any query. Okay, today, as I've said, I'm going to introduce you guys on how to make money through CBDC. That's actually if you're in Kenya, which is called the central bank digital currency. Over the weekend, I happened to meet a guy on Telegram and he taught me on how to make money through CBDC. I made money over the weekend and I found it a nice idea to share with you guys. Let me use the image below to explain how the CBDC platform works. So on the table below, you can see how the market cap is working, how the circulating supply, and also the coin value. So the formula of making money is based on coin value, which is given by the market cap divided by circulating supply. So far, there has been 6 loads of circulating supply. The first load, which I managed to participate, the marketing supply was 1,000 and the market cap was 1,000 and circulating supply was 1,000 to give a coin value of 1. Because the value could be attained so quickly, the central bank adjusted the market cap to 10,000 and circulating supply to 10,000 to give a coin of 1. After 3 days, the value raised and central bank decided to change the market cap to 100,000 and circulating supply to 100,000 to give a coin value of 1. After a few days, the value raised and central bank decided to change the market cap to 1 million and circulating supply to 1 million to give a coin value of 1. Finally, the value raised and central bank decided to change the market cap to 10,000 million and circulating supply to 10,000 million, giving a coin value of 1. The central bank defined this event as coin crash, and they even posted a job for coin crasher, but took it down after because of many applications. So in the event of coin crash, when the value of coin is high, people with high number of coins make a lot of money compared to those guys who have less number of coins. Over the weekend, a guy approached me and taught me on how to make money through CBDC. The currency goes by the name Kakitu wallet, and I explored it over the weekend and I made a little money, and that's why I'm sharing with you guys as well, so that you can make profit out of it. For you to use the tutorial effectively, search for Kakitu wallet on Play Store. So just go on Play Store if you're actually in Kenya. Click on Kakitu wallet. That's how the Kakitu wallet looked like on Play Store. Download the Kakitu app from Play Store. It's more in size, easy to use, and requires no sign up. That's how secure it is. Search for Kakitu wallet on your home page. So after installing, just go to your home page and you're going to see the Kakitu wallet. And after that, guys, let me just click on the logout so that I can show you how it's working out. And after that, guys, click on the new wallet to create your new wallet. And over there, you're going to see your safety. This is where they're telling you will see a secret phrase on the next screen. It is a password to access your funds. It's crucial that you back it up and never share it with anyone. If you lose your device or uninstall the application, you'll need your secret phrase or seed to recover your funds. Got it? So that's the phrase. Copy the phrase. I have backed it up, and after that you can are you sure you have backed up your secret phrase or seed? And I'm going to say yes. Create a pin. I can just create a random pin because this is not my wallet. And after that, you're going to see this main page, and this is where you're going to see the receive, the exchange, and the send button. I will demonstrate you on how to receive, exchange, and send money through the Kakitu wallet. The receive button will expose a QR code for your wallet, which someone can scan and send you funds. You can copy it as a text or share it as an image. You can print this wallet address and use it to accept payments of your business. The next, the exchange button shows us the trade of the value of the coin. For example, I'm going to show you this through a table below. There's a table over here. And the exchange button shows the trade of the value of the coin. I had bought mine. You can see there's a graph over here. There's a graph over here showing us the trade of the coin, how the coin has been growing up, has been rising. And actually, I had bought mine yesterday at a value of 0.68 per coin and sold it at 1.47 per coin. I had to put in Kenya shilling 10,000 and bought 14,705 coins, then sold them at and got Kenya shilling 21,617 because there was some profit made from 0.68 to 1.47. Right now the price has stabilized, but during the day when people are busy transacting, the value of the coin is going to go up. So that's how it works, guys. So the next button is the send button, and this will allow you to scan a QR code or paste an address of a person or an entity you wish to send the money to. As soon as many people transact, there will be another crash, and this time of 20 million Kenya shilling. So don't miss out a chance to withdraw this to your M-Pesa. Remember, when there's a coin crash of 20 million Kenya shilling, and remember our last coin crash was around happened at around 10 million Kenya shilling. So that's going to be a rise in the coin value from 1 to 2. Remember, that's profit, and you're going when you sell your coin, you're going to make a profit out of it. So that's how it works, guys. And remember, over here on the setting buttons, you can be able to see the language. You can set your default language. You can put as Netherlands, whatever, Danish. It doesn't matter the kind of language you talk. There is a notification. Remember, it's always on so that you can receive the notification when you receive when you receive cash from your friends, from your family members, from your bosses, and everything. There's support and feedback. This is why you can email the Kakitu support in case you may have any queries with them for your account. There's a block explorer. This is where you can see the transaction you have done. There's security. This is where the things concerning your password and everything in case you want to change your password, etc. There's contacts. This is where you can save your friends' Kakitu address in case you want to be sending them consequently, and maybe you don't want to ask them for the address more and more again. Over here there's a backup secret phrase. This is where you can back up your phrase and everything. You can copy it and back it up somewhere, maybe on your book. You can put the phrase or somewhere secure where you can use it in case you log out, or maybe you want to import your older wallet. Make sure that's so important, by the way. Make sure you back up your secret phrase so that when you log out, you don't lose your wallet. Remember, when you lose your wallet, you're going to lose your money inside the wallet. So make sure the secret phrase is well saved and put in a secure place. Another thing, there's a change representative. This is where you can change the wallet address and everything, etc. Or you can share the Kakitu wallet. This is where you can share with your friend, with your company, in case you want to be paid through the Kakitu wallet and you don't want the transaction to be done through M-Pesa. There's a log out button. This is where you can log out. And remember, when you're logging out, don't forget this, guys. You save your backup secret phrase. Remember, when you don't back up this, you're going to lose your money. You're going to lose all your money. You're going to lose your money and everything. So make sure when you're logging out, you are backing up your secret phrase. Thank you guys for listening. See you on the next video. Bye bye.